What's up everybody, Alejandro Romo here again with another property tour here in San Pedro. Today I'm going to show you the most affordable single family residence home that you can get right now here in San Pedro. And yeah, it's right here right behind me. Let's get right into it. Before we get onto this property tour, I just wanted to say a good thank you to my good friend Christian. He's the one who let me use this listing so I can bring you guys this property tour. If you guys can thank Christian in the comments, that would be pretty dope. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, here we are inside the most affordable single family residence that you can get here in San Pedro. As soon as you come in, you are welcomed by the TV. This is your dining slash living room slash kitchen area. This house is a 2-bed, 2-bath sitting on a 622 living space. So it's a very small house. That literally is one of the bedrooms. This is the other bedroom. And this door leads you to the very cozy backyard. But let's look at the kitchen first. You have your kitchen here, super nice, with a bunch of cabinets so you can store all your stuff that you need, your spices, your canned goods, your hot sauces, anything that you can think of. You got your little fire extinguisher in case you don't know how to cook and you start a fire. And you got your sink, microwave, again, don't blow up the house, stove, and fridge. This is the other side, the other look. There's the front door. All right, now let's check the first bedroom. Here we go. All right, so this is the first bedroom. All right. Let's take a look into the restroom. It does come with a shower. What up? That looks like it's been redone. Yeah, that's the first bedroom. Let's skip over to the second bedroom. Here you have it. So this is the primary bedroom. You can tell by the bigger space. And it has the big closet. Let's check it out. All right, and then you have your restroom, which again, is bigger than the other bedroom. I don't have a light on in here because the vent makes noise. I don't want the noise to be picked up. Yep. That's your second bedroom. Let's go outside and see this cozy backyard. Trust me, you're not gonna be able to do too many carne asadas, or at least not big family get-togethers on this one. But let's check it out. All right, let's look out this way. Going out back this way. I guess one of the plus sizes is there is no real maintenance that you're gonna do besides cleaning up this lemon tree mess every once in a while that doesn't belong to you. You have a couple of storages. This one is for tools and stuff that you might need for the minimal yard work that you're gonna do. And then you have this one, which is storing your washer and dryer. Your little light, your connections right there, and your water heaters right here, with more space to put more of your stuff. Maybe you have some bicycles, put them over here. But you see, not that much space here in this backyard. You could still throw carne asada, maybe invite like 4 or 5 people, you know, throw the little grill right here, a couple of chairs, a couple of beers. Man, we'll figure out a way to have a carne asada regardless. Let's go back inside the house. All right, we're back inside. Again, this house is a 2-bed, 2-bath, 622 square foot living space. And yeah, it's the most affordable home you can find right now in San Pedro that isn't like a condo or a townhome. And something that I like, something that I think this property has is it's small And if you're someone who doesn't like to do any yard work, you're not really gonna have to do any yard work out here. And I think this home probably belongs more to someone who's retired or a family that's getting started. Keep in mind, one negative thing that I did find about this property, it has no driveway or no garage. So you're gonna have to park in the street. Right now it is 110 and I was able to park right in the front, so maybe there's parking throughout the whole time, but that's the only downside that I found with this property. All right, so that concludes the property tour. If you liked this property or you want a private tour so I can show you this property and maybe we can get you into a new home, hit me up, 310-970-2730. Again, I'm your real estate agent. If you have any questions about the market, whether you want to buy, sell, refinance, or just want to know what's going on, hit me up. Again, 310-970-2730. And until next time, peace.